Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kid07, back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? My new subscribers was popping. And for the one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all. So in today's video, this will be I think a part 3 or part 2 or part 3. I think it's a part 3 of this build that I got going on for a customer. The video before it, I messed up. So I had to redo the paint job 3 times. I had to redo this paint job, you know, but the 3rd time I think I got it down packed. So you're gonna see in the video coming up right now. I just want to see how everybody's doing. I hope y'all keeping your head up. I hope y'all, you know, reaching your goals. Stay motivated and keep on building, man. Like if you got a lowrider bike, that's there, build it, man. Do something to it, create it, man. Don't just leave it the way it is. You can leave it the way it is if you like it like that. You know what I mean? You want it nice and simple, man. But you want to upgrade, you want to level up, man. Change some styles, you know what I mean? Change some parts, man. Do this, do that, man. Be creative with this, you know what I mean? But so we're gonna get to the video real quick. Hope y'all enjoy. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we got this redone already. Again, we're on the third time. 3rd time is a charm, right? That's what they say, right? So we're gonna do this for the 3rd time. I'm gonna get this done finally, real quick. Alright guys, so we got it finally done up. Not all the way, but we're gonna throw some clear on top. As you can see, the design I put on it. What you guys think? As you can see the shine. And it's not even cleared up yet. We're clear coat. You see how it looks, man. It looks very beautiful. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Tropical glitz, tropical glitz. All we gotta do is put some, hey, he want his logo on it. That's what we're gonna be doing. Put his logo on it. And his design that he wants. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. Look at that. I think it came on fire. What we're doing is getting better and better and better and better and better every time. Alright guys, y'all ready? There, look, boom. Boom. Wait till the sun hits it. The sun is not hitting it, so you won't see the... You know, the sparkle, the flakes. You won't see the flakes. Not now, but once the sun hits this baby, psh, what do you guys think? Look at the pattern. What you guys think? Look at that. Coming out crazy. Look at that. Alright guys, how y'all enjoyed the video? Like I said, man, I think the paint job from Tropical Glitz, that's what I use. I use Radican paint from Tropical Glitz, and it came out phenomenal. It came out beautiful. It came out, just by touching it, man, it feels good. Like if you can't, like, it feels like you touching candy, you know. I think I did a good job, you know. But it's more to like, I'm learning right now, you know what I mean, and I want to keep growing and learning how to, you know, paint, how to do this and how to do that, you know. And I'm doing it, you know what I mean. I'm not gonna just try to stay at one level, man. I want to try to progress and, you know, get to the next level, and I want to be the best, you know. That's what I want to get. I want to be the best in painting, you know, ride bikes, painting, you know, bikes, painting, cars. You never know, man. Cars could probably be up there. It's gonna be up there too, you know what I mean. But for right now, I want to learn how to paint bikes like crazy, you know. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you see any wrongs that I'm doing, let me know, you know. This channel is, you know, for everybody to learn, you know, everybody giving each other tips, you know. Just, you know, just a lot of help, man. Like, I went on live before, you know, doing this and like showing my mistakes on live, and y'all was helping me out, you know. Yo, you do this, use this sandpaper, you know, do it like this, man. Make sure you use a heat gun. Make sure you, you know, let the paint sit for a while, you know what I mean, before you, you know, begin taping. Any tips that I got, man, I appreciate y'all, for real, man. That's why I made this channel, for, you know, we can all work together, for we can all help each other out. You know what I mean? But I just want to say thank y'all guys for the love. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to put another video out when I start ordering the parts and, you know, build it, you know, little by little. Like I said, this ride is for a customer, and it's whenever he has, you know, the money to be like, all right, yo, let's order this part, or let's get this part and that part, you know. I also got other projects that I got going on. Like, I got one right here behind me that the video is going to be up soon. I just want to say God bless y'all guys, and thank you for the love, and thank you for the support. Like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. God bless. To the next video. Peace.